Welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2026 Mitsubishi Jeep J70 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated rugged SUVs of the coming years, a machine built for enthusiasts who crave authenticity, durability, and raw mechanical charm. While modern SUVs keep drifting towards softer designs and tech-heavy lifestyles, the J70 feels like a bold return to old-school adventure, square edges, exposed strength, and a stance that looks ready to muscle through any terrain you throw at it. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads not because it's flashy, but because it's unapologetically tough, carrying the spirit of classic off-road legends into a new era. Early previews hint at a design philosophy centered on purpose. The bumper is expected to be thick, angular, and structurally reinforced, giving the J70 the kind of front-end presence that instantly communicates capability. It's the type of bumper made for winches, tow hooks, rock protection, and serious off-grid trips. The side profile continues the rugged theme here with boxy doors, strong character lines, and a lifted stance that makes the wheel arches look like they're ready to swallow mud terrain tires. This is a vehicle clearly built with ground clearance, approach angles, and real trail performance in mind. Move to the back, and the toughness continues. The rear is rumored to feature a heavy-duty tailgate, a mounted spare wheel, and rear bumpers designed to handle steep departures. Instead of sleek urban styling, the J70 doubles down on utility rear tow points, steel protection plates, and an overall look that says it can survive years of outdoor abuse. It's the kind of rear end you'd expect on a vehicle that isn't afraid of rough roads or remote landscapes. Inside, Mitsubishi is expected to combine durability with essential tech. Don't expect luxury car softness, but do expect a well-thought-out cabin that balances comfort with function. Rubberized surfaces, grip-friendly switches, supportive seats, and a straightforward dashboard will likely define the interior. Modern features such as a touch screen, smartphone connectivity, and driver assist systems will be present, but not in a way that takes away from the vehicle's core identity. Under the hood, the J70 is rumored to offer a strong diesel or turbocharged gasoline engine capable of delivering both torque and endurance. Mitsubishi's experience with 4WD systems, especially from its Pajero heritage year, suggests that the J70 will include locking differentials, low-range gearing, and a chassis built to withstand real-world punishment. Whether it's crawling over rocks, crossing rivers, or powering through long desert trails, the J70 aims to prove itself a dependable companion. As for price, early industry speculation places the starting cost in a competitive range for off-road focused SUVs, though final numbers will depend on trims and markets. What's more exciting is the expected launch. Mitsubishi is preparing to roll out the J70 in 2026, marking a strong comeback for rugged utility vehicles in a world full of soft roaders. The 2026 Mitsubishi Jeep J70 stands as a symbol of the comeback of true adventure machines. If the production model stays true to the early buzz, it won't just be another SUV, it will be a legend reborn, built for drivers who want more than a commute, they want a journey.